Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Floki Inu on your Trust Wallet application. Our first step would be to get the contract address, or rather know much more about the Floki Inu coin. As you can see its price, you can see it's mainly built on the Ethereum blockchain, but it does exist on the Binance Smart Chain as well. You can look at its market cap, the community. It's a verified coin. It just got listed on Binance. So let's get right into it. We'll be clicking on this extended option right here, which brings out both its Ethereum and Smart Chain contract address. For the sake of this video, we're going to be copying its Smart Chain. So once you've copied the Smart Chain, you simply head over to your Trust wallets. Open up Trust Wallet, make sure you have some BNB right here for transactions. You then head over to your browser and simply click on PancakeSwap, which is in the DeFi section. Once you've clicked on PancakeSwap, the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, we simply switch over to the BNB Smart Chain network, which in turn turns everything into Smart Chain transactions. So we're going to be replacing our BNB here for the Floki Inu. So let's get that done. Simply click on BNB and click on search name or paste address and paste the contract address we just copied. Click on this Floki. Click on 50% of cake or whatever currency you might want to use for this transaction. Okay guys, and we're going to be using 0.39 USD worth of cake in exchange for some good Floki. In exchange for 8,741 Floki. So you simply click on swap, click on confirm swap, waiting for confirmation. The smart contract call pulls in. You click on approve. And boom, click on add Floki to wallet, click on OK, close the PancakeSwap.finance, head over to your wallet and simply reload. Once you're done reloading, you then have a look at your Floki, which is here, 0.35 USD. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Floki Inu on your Trust wallet and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.